Good morning, Science of Nutrition and Exercise students. I hope you had a great weekend. We are now on the downslope, so we're into week 9 of the semester, so we're getting closer and closer to the end. Just a couple things I wanted to share with you. One is if we go back to our weekly schedule, I just wanted you to be aware that for this week, week 9 of the semester, you're doing 2 more chapters again. So you have chapter 17 and chapter 18. So if you go under that module for week 9 and 10, you'll see everything for chapter 17, which deals with food allergies and intolerances. So many people today have a lot of different types of food allergies and even intolerances that they have to deal with. So that chapter discusses a little bit of that. And then chapter 18 gets into the different types of dietary fats. So you're going to look at the good fats, your monounsaturated fat, your polyunsaturated fat, your EPAs, DHAs, and your omega-3s and omega-6s. In addition to that, you're going to look at the bad fats, which are your saturated fat, your trans fat, and even cholesterol that we ingest through our foods. So you're going to be doing all chapter 17. You've got pre-test, you have a case study, your Global Nutrition Watch, and a post-test. For chapter 18, you can see you have a pre-test and the case study, but then you also have a diet and wellness skill building activity again, which you should be getting pretty comfortable with doing those. You also have a closer look activity in addition to the Global Nutrition Watch and the post-test for chapter 18. So quite a bit that you're going to be completing for this particular week. Also, I see everybody have completed exam 2 that was due last week, so that is graded and in e-learning. So make sure that you're completing all of these items for chapter 17 and 18 by Sunday, October 27th, 11:59 p.m. Next week, you're going to be doing your vitamin posters. So at the beginning of the week, I will be giving you a description on how to do those. And in addition to that, I would like you to start thinking about submitting your exercise logs. You should be at least halfway through your hours, so at least 7.5 plus, hopefully, hours of physical activity. You should have completed up by this point of the course. Note at the end of the semester, you're going to be submitting those exercise logs under the assignments button. So you have your verification of your hours and then your exercise logs. So you're going to be getting that printout from your facility showing your check-in and your check-out times. So that's kind of proving that you were there. With that, you're submitting the actual detailed logs of what you did while you were there. So all of that will need to be submitted at the end of the semester. So just kind of keeping tabs and making sure that you're on top of the physical activity portion that goes along with the class. So if you have any questions at all for this week, feel free to reach out and I can get those answered for you. But if not, enjoy this beautiful day before it starts raining, and I'll be in touch again next Monday.